Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Prophetic Solutions team. I am Sanjay. From this video session guys, we are going to start a new exciting playlist of WordPress called Wordpress Metabox tutorial for beginners. So this is our first video session guys. So in this video session, we are going to discuss about some introduction part of WordPress Metabox tutorial. So in these topics, we will cover called what are metaboxes, what is a custom metabox, and we will see the two functions of WordPress called add metabox and remove metabox. And also guys, if you are a beginner to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and keep watching other playlists of WordPress from our online web tutor channel. So first question that is in our mind is that what are metaboxes? So just go to next slide. And now for that question, we have a theoretical concept, that is what are metaboxes. Metabox is a draggable area with some form fields in admin, new/edit post screen. Some metaboxes like YMCZ editor, set featured image, post formats, custom fields, etc. are the WordPress provided metaboxes. Okay, so basically guys, if we switch back to our administrator panel, and this is the latest version of WordPress that I have installed, that is something called 4.9.8. okay, so this is the latest version of WordPress I have installed for this playlist. Okay, so basically guys, this is our WordPress setup dashboard. So if we scroll down, these are called metaboxes because as we can see that this screen says something about activity. This is says something about WordPress events and news. So if we click on that, and as you can see that this is draggable. This is draggable. So this is called the metabox of WordPress. Also, if we go to WordPress events and news, so as you can see that this is also draggable. So these actually provide some type of information to our WordPress setup about the WordPress. So this is called guys metaboxes. If you just scroll up, now as we can see that at a glance is also a WordPress metabox. Quick draft is also of that. But now at a glance actually says it gives some of information regarding our WordPress. Okay, that is WordPress 4.9.8 running 2017 theme. It provides some kind of informations. But now as we can see that for the quick draft, it is also a metabox. If we drag here and there, and now as we can see that we can shift our metabox from any of the position in our dashboard screen. Okay, but this metabox guys actually provides, it will take some of the information from us, and it is also a kind of metabox. These all metaboxes guys are present at the WordPress dashboard setup. Okay, so if you go to the post section, just click on that, and just I'm clicking on add new. After clicking on add new, we can see that this is called post formats metabox. As we can see, we can also drag and drop. It contains some of the information regarding our WordPress post type. Now scroll down, this is a category, this is a taxonomy actually WordPress has registered. It is also a metabox. If you scroll down, this is a tag section. Basically it is also a metabox. This is featured image by the help of which we can upload our images to any of the posts. So this is also an example of metabox. So basically guys, these all are examples of the metabox of WordPress. Metabox are nothing, these are, as you can see, widgets which provides some kind of informations to the WordPress users. Because if we take a look over this WordPress metabox, then this format actually contains information about the WordPress post type. It contains some of the information about the radio buttons, about the post meta type. If you scroll down, it says about the categories of this WordPress post. It says about the tags, and it will upload any of the WordPress post, any of the image for this WordPress post. So all these metaboxes are made for each of the separate functionality in this WordPress setup. These metaboxes guys are not present only inside this post section. If you go to the pages section, just click on that, clicking on add new, and now as we can see that these are the boxes called page attributes. These are also called metabox. If you scroll down, featured image, these all are the examples of WordPress metabox. As well as if we will register any of the custom post type to this WordPress setup, then at this situation we also can see about these metaboxes. Okay, so just back to slide. And now for the summary point of view guys, we can understand that WordPress metabox is a draggable area with some form fields, as we have seen in quick draft section, form fields in admin, new edit post screen, some metaboxes like YMCZ editor, set featured image, post formats, custom fields, etc. are the WordPress provided metaboxes. But we can create our own metaboxes too, that is called custom metaboxes. This means guys that we can create our own custom metaboxes too in the WordPress setup. Okay, we will see from the next tutorial. But now, what is the meaning of a custom meta box? So just have a look. What is the custom meta box? Custom meta box allows users to add additional information to post, pages and custom post types. As well as we have seen in our administrator panel that all the meta boxes actually WordPress provides inside these post sections. Click on add new. These are all examples of WordPress provided meta boxes. Also, if you go to the pages section, clicking on add new, and now these all are provided called page attributes, featured image and many more things actually the WordPress provides. These are called the WordPress meta box. But remember guys, if we register any of the custom post type by own, then we can also register our meta boxes too on that post type. So user created meta boxes are called custom meta boxes. Okay, so summary point of view guys tells us that custom meta boxes allows us to users to add in additional information to post, pages and custom post type. Plugin and themes can use custom meta boxes to take additional structured user input. Some of the meta boxes guys in WordPress are made for provide additional information to the user. Why? If you go to administrator panel, just click on add dashboard. Now as we can see that this is also a WordPress wizard which provides some of the basic concepts, some of the basic useful informations to the user about WordPress events and news. As we can see at a glance and activity, these are called WordPress meta boxes because it contains some of the useful informations, and now we can also drag it and drop from here and there. Okay, but now remember quick draft is also a WordPress meta box now, but it is taking some of the information from the user. So we have two types of custom meta boxes, means meta boxes. First, meta boxes can give any kind of information to the user, or it will take any kind of information from the user. Okay, so basically from the next video session guys, we will see that how can we register our meta box, and also we will see that how can we operate on those meta boxes. And now we just put those meta boxes to our pages section, post section as well as custom post type. Okay, so now just go to front end slide. So about add meta box and remove meta box, these are the functions guys, WordPress functions provided, which is basically responsible to register our meta box and for remove our meta box. These are the functions. This is a function add meta box used to register our meta box. Okay, and this is a WordPress function basically used to remove our meta box. Okay, so if you go to browser, this is the documentation. If you search add meta box WordPress, then now you will find the documentation about the codex.wordpress.org. Just click on this link. After clicking on this link, you will get this page. Here you can find about the information about that function. Also, WordPress provides another website to read the documentation, that is called developers.wordpress.org. So just click on this again. And now we can see that this is also a document provided by the WordPress developers. And this is the syntax. As we can see that add meta boxes take some of the parameters, some of the values from us to register a custom meta box to our WordPress setup. So guys, we will see this function in action from our next video session, where we are going to register our meta boxes to our WordPress setup. Okay, so if we find the second function, that is remove meta box WordPress, it provides also the two links. First, codex.wordpress.org, and the second, that is developers.wordpress.org. You can click any of the link. Okay, so just I'm clicking on developers.wordpress.org. Just move to the documentation section, and now remove meta box. As we can see, remove a meta box from one or more screen means basically guys, it removes the meta boxes. Either if you want to remove one of a screen, means either post section, pages section, custom post type, anywhere if you want to remove, by using this function we can remove that. Okay, so we also see this function in action from our next video session. So this is the video session guys. Actually we have to discuss about the introduction section of WordPress Metabox tutorial, where we had seen that what are metaboxes, what is a custom metabox, and now about the functions called add metabox and remove metabox. Okay, so from the next video session guys, we will see these functions in action, and we will register our custom metaboxes to our WordPress pages, WordPress post as well as WordPress post custom type. So in this video session guys, if you have any query, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.